Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove a credit card from your Shopify billing account. The process is simple, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, click on Plan. Now, here is the important thing to know about Shopify. They do not allow you to simply delete a card if your store is active. To completely remove your billing information, you have to cancel your current plan or your free trial. To do this, click on Cancel Trial or Deactivate Store, depending on your current status. A new window will pop up explaining the details of the cancellation. Make sure to read this carefully. Check the box to acknowledge you've reviewed the information, and then click Continue to confirm. Once your store is deactivated, your credit card will no longer be billed, and that's it. Your billing information is now removed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.